Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to unarchive a message on Facebook Messenger. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping in order to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to unarchive a message on Facebook Messenger, go to your Facebook Messenger application first and sign into your account. First, let me go ahead and archive a message. In order to archive a message, press hold to a conversation from your conversation screen. At the top of the expanded menu, you'll be able to see an archive button. Tap on archive and the conversation will disappear from your chat screen. In order to unarchive the message, go and tap on the search box at the top and then search for the contact. Once you search for the contact and tap it on, you'll be able to see all the conversations you've made with the contact till date. Now, in order to unarchive the text, go and type in a new message and simply tap on the send button to send the message to the contact. Once you come back to the chat screen, you'll be able to see the text message that you earlier archived has been unarchived and sent back to the inbox. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.